South Asian archipelago. While many island ecosystems are found in South Asia, those with critical geopolitical significance include the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep Islands in India, Indonesian islands, Taiwan, the islands in the Korean Sea, and the four big islands in Japan. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The Andaman Nicobar Islands spread from 14 degrees 24 north latitude, 93 degrees 10 east longitude to 6 degrees 13 north latitude to 93 degrees 57 east longitude. The total landmass of all the islands put together sums up to 8,249 square kilometers. The northern group of islands, called the Andaman District, is separated from the Nicobar group of islands by the 10 degrees channel. It spans 139 kilometers wide and 1,399 meters deep. There are over 572 islands in the island chain. Only 35 of these are inhabited. Over 86% of the landmass enjoys forest cover. Being thus so strategically located, the island's enhanced geopolitical significance is crucial to the entire Asia-Pacific and the South Asian region. The different islands in the Andaman-Nicobar archipelago include the following islands: Triparis, Great Coco, Little Coco, Landfall, Nakondam, West Island, North Reef, South Island, Long Island, Barren Island, North Passage, Henry Lawrence, Andaman-Nicobar Ridge, John Lawrence, Head, Neil Island, Rutland, Sink, Passage, North Brother, North Sentinel, South Sentinel Island in the northern group of islands in the Andaman district, and in the Nicobar district's islands we find Kha Nicobar, Batimalv, Chaura, Tilanchong, Isle of Man, Teresa, Kamota, Kachel, Little Nicobar, Cornwall, and Great Nicobar. The Indonesian archipelago sits on the Sunda Plate or the Australasian Plate, and also in terms of geopolitics belongs more to ASEAN than to South Asia. Though the entire island chain is a volcanic ecosystem, only 3 islands have recorded eruptions. Barren Island is still an active volcano. Nakondam is dormant, and Invisible Bank is an extinct volcano. Besides, there is a mud volcano in Baratang in the Jarawa reserves in Middle Andamans. Geopolitical significance. Other islands like Maldives, Sri Lanka, Indonesia, Diogo Garcia, Mauritius, Madagascar, and Singapore are also crucial stakes for global powers. Dozens of countries seek a base for their defense installations. Economic powers like USA, UK, Australia, India, China, and France, besides the countries on the Indian Ocean rim, seek to optimize the utilization of resources that obtains from land in this crucial region. The contours of the different ecosystems that prevail in this vast continent thus offer different terrain patterns and different biodiversity profiles. Together with the rainfall, weather vagaries, and climatic patterns, Asians have thus inherited rich and diverse agrodiversity. This rich agrodiversity manifests in the form of horticulture, floriculture, fisheries, animal husbandry, harvesting of minor forest produce like honey, lichens and mosses, medicinal herbs, etc. All these human activities have been engendered into the lifestyles of different groups of people who have grown accustomed to the bounty offered by Mother Nature. We thus see how traditions have evolved around natural resources. That is what is meant by agro-meteorological factors conditioning traditional vocations. With this insight, dear students, you now have a fairly in-depth perspective of how the Mother Earth has literally shaped up the place we live in. In this chapter, we have understood the origins of the continents and the diverse geographical and geological factors that have shaped our lives in this thriving, heart-throbbing continent called Asia. In our next episode, we shall understand how the land is influenced by and influences terrain pattern. I hope you will join us then.